This is going to be a little bit rickety of a video. That yellow box truck up there, no plates, recently painted over all the markings. Driver, white male, late 20s, early 30s, buff as shit, wearing all white, got paracord on his wrist. He just picked up a dude in some kind of golf club resort fucking thing. Dude who he picked up left his car behind. Car had Freemason plates on it. Other male had backpack, also of military age, early 30s, late 20s. I don't know what these guys are doing, but this truck has definitely been made so that it has no identifiable markings, except for the fact that it has no identifiable markings. It's only got a couple numbers on the front of the truck. Like I said, no plates. The entire truck's been painted over recently. You can barely see the markings underneath the paint. From a distance, you can't really see anything. So I'm kind of curious about these guys. I'm just following them down Iliff Avenue, Evans, west towards Denver. We are at, is this Havana? Yeah, we're at Havana now. See if I can get close enough, you can kind of see this. Trans-West plate. It is illegal in Colorado to drive a vehicle on public roads without a rear plate, whether it's a temp. There's nothing else on the back. It was a Penske truck. I know the boys for Jade Helm have been using rental trucks to try and operate incognito amongst us. Well, if that's you, you're busted this time. In case these aren't just Jade Helm guys practicing and they're up to something else, I'm not going to follow them for too long here. Like I said, they left. He picked up one guy. The guy he picked up was just like at the first turn in off of 225. Now we're really close to several military bases at that location. It was a silver Sonata, plates 800, SZU, with Freemason plates. Hopping into this Ryder truck that is almost entirely unmarked and painted over to have no identifiable marks. You see the back? That's what the sides and the front look like too. There's only a couple numbers on the side. I'm hoping maybe they'll turn so I can get those numbers recorded. Like I said, we're kind of heading into Denver now. But for whoever the hell you guys are, you've been noticed. You are not blending in. We are watching for you. There's plenty of us out here who know what the fuck's going on and are on the lookout for you. Like I said, there's no way to trace this vehicle. There's no plates on it. It was a Penske rental truck. They took the plates off, put Trans-West thing on it, no actual plate, painted over it. Now, if this was some kind of commercial vehicle, like say for a plumber or some other rental thing, they're driving it illegally. They don't have any plates, any kind of registration on it. I got a life, I got shit to do. I'm heading the opposite direction of where I want to go. I wouldn't doubt it if they know I'm following them. I pulled into the parking lot next to the car that the dude got out of and hopped into this truck. Well, he definitely made eye contact a few times. They probably get the gist that I'm following them. I wouldn't doubt if they can see me with my little phone above my steering wheel. Maybe they wrote down my plates. I don't know. I really have to piss too. So this is probably gonna end here pretty quick. But I wanted to get it recorded. I wanted to keep going, hope that I could get them turning right and kind of see how the side's just as painted over as the rest. There's almost no identifiable markers. There's a G, 4 digits, G something something something, all numbers. I think there was a 3 in there on the right hand side of the cab. There was no DOT, Department of Transportation number on that side. I don't know if there's one on the driver's side of the cab. Maybe being smart and not turning just so I can't get the other side of them. We know Jade Helm is operating in Colorado. Sorry, I'm not a cameraman. I'm doing this in my hand. I don't have a little stick or anything else to hold it. So I apologize for the bobbly cam. Curious where they're going. But I can't follow them forever. For all I know, they're fucking driving all the way to Lakewood. I don't know. I was hoping they were going to turn right. I'm going to be turning here pretty soon. I got to piss. I got to head back the other way I was going. Just found this extremely interesting. He was coming south on 225 when he got off on Iliff, which is when I saw him. I was getting close to my destination anyway. This guy definitely looked like he could be spec op. Real buff dude, wearing all white, paracord on his wrist. Definitely not a cop, definitely not plumbers. I worked construction 13 years. You know, they don't normally operate like this in a completely unmarked truck. 2 buff dudes looking like hard asses. You know, plumbers don't normally fucking have paracord on their arms, on their wrists. I should have a turn. I-25. That's coming up here pretty soon. Maybe they'll turn there, head into downtown. I can get a little bit of a glimpse of their face, the numbers on the side of the truck, for anyone interested in trying to track this truck down. There were groups that were trying to watch out, let them know that, you know, they're trying to infiltrate and watch us. Well, we're watching them too. I haven't heard much about that since the actual start of Jade Helm. Part of me wants to fucking call the police. What if they're not Jade Helm? What if they're some kind of terrorist? They got some fucking bomb in the back. We're coming up to I-25. Why the fuck would you come down to 25 to hop onto Isla and come clear the cross here? Oh no, fuck you. Really? No, they're not getting off on I-25. So they're like going across town or something. I don't know. I'm going to go ahead and end this chase because I've traveled clear the hell away from where I want to be. Who knows if this is really what I think it is. If it is, cool. If not, weird. Off hard ass looking dudes getting into a completely unmarked, painted over truck. Pretty fucking weird. You know what? Let's us turn. See if we can fucking get the numbers on here as we go by. Wonder what they thought of that. That's all for now. Thanks, folks.